What's up, guys? Welcome to the podcast. Nico here with Mario and Graham, and we are going to react to the Ateneo versus UE game, and then UP versus Adamson. So first off, wow, yung reaction na naman natin. It's the same as what happened on Saturday. It's two close games, and it was wild, wild to say the least. Ateneo only winning by two against UE, which is weird. Kasi I didn't expect Ateneo to only win by two. Pero if you look at the stats, Welo Lingo kind of popped off. He really popped off. 19 points. And us three, we were talking about for UE to have a chance in keeping it close against teams this year. Precious has to show up. John Abate had to show up. Or Abate. He likes to be called Abate now again based dun sa nakikinig
That's
ko
so
sa
confusing,
broadcast.
by the way.
So
Oh,
Abate
wow.
na lang. And then the third, there needs to be a third guy, and that one was Welo Lingo. So,
Yeah.
yun nga yung nangyari ngayon today, and which they were this close to getting the win over Ateneo. They were this close. But kay Manny Ladi says, nah, pinapaganda ko lang yung laban. And then made that three. Go ahead three, di ba, Mario? That was the go ahead
Go
three na.
ahead three. Go ahead
Oo.
three.
Mm-mm.
After genuinely, it felt like the game was done after Welo hit the 3-pointer.
Mm-mm.
Usually, the game is done at that point. Um, but man, again, the trust they have in Kimani. I think they pronounced it Kaimani. I'm so sorry.
Kay Manny,
The
yeah. Kay Manny, sorry. Yeah, Kay Manny, Kay
the
Manny.
the trust that they have in Kaimani is absolutely insane. Um, for a rookie, for one and done, first time in the UAAP, this man has no fear of the moment at all. And credit to Jared Bahay, kasi even if Jay House didn't have the best of game, he only had 8 points. He made the mid-range shot to give them the lead again. He made the free throw to extend the lead to three, and he found Kaimani in that last play. It was a good performance put in from Jarrett. And actually, if you're in the game when you're watching the game, kita mo na medyo ano na siya. He's really stepping into that leadership role na talaga this year. So big ups to him.
Nico and Mario convinced me like 3 times to go to the game. Kasi taga Tayuman lang ako, which is like 5 minutes away from UST. I said, nah, I'm not gonna do that. Dapat pala nagpunta ako because I don't know if
Baka
Ateneo
tinubuan ka ng
should,
buhok, no? Baka tinubuan ka
could
ng
be.
buhok.
Could be because for the second straight, Ateneo game, I'll be that stressed out. I don't obviously, I obviously I'm not rooting for any school because di ba na UAP alumni. But all I'm saying, man, is should Ateneo be worried na ganito sila over these past 2 games? I mean, FEU and UE are not teams that we really rank na, should
Uh,
be in the Final Four. But or it could be them just playing down to the competition. Di ba? It could be that too. But, first 2 games, they're lucky to escape with the W. Dom
yeah,
Escobar, I was worried, di ba, Mario? But good thing you confirmed cramps lang siya on Saturday. He
yeah.
made a couple of great defensive plays to end the game.
Yeah.
He's like, if Kai Balungay and Dwight Ramos had a baby, it would have been Dom Escobar. So,
That's
bro,
crazy.
I'm not really that impressed yet with Ateneo. Spina played well, by the way. But
Oh,
Waki
dude, Wacky
Espina was, yeah,
Espina.
we're gonna get there.
yeah,
We're gonna get to Wacky Espina, brother. This is a guy who deserves so much credit because he's been in the lab, dude. And many people, ang dami nagtatanong baka si Espina yung starter, baka si Espina ang daming minutes, may Tuano ka naman, may Lazo ka naman, may Espinoso ka naman, may Gamber ka
yeah.
naman, but lagi si Wacky Espina. And I genuinely believe it's because he does this in practice all the time. First time niya mag-break out talaga sa UAAP game, for sure. Pero major ups to Wacky kasi Ateneo loses this game without Waki Espinas. 4 for 6 from deep, by the way. 4 for 6 from deep. That's absolutely great. 66%. Massive game from him as well. Pero again, I want to go back to Graham's point. Should Ateneo be nervous considering this is how they played against FEU and UE?
Kinda. For me, kinda.
Kinda. I would say kinda as
Diba?
well.
Let's be honest, this is not a good win.
I
Yeah,
mean,
these
it
are
could
not good
win. We would
wins.
never know. But then, it's 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 not something. I know Coach Tab is not happy with how they played in these first 2 games at all. I think sa tingin ni Coach Tab, these are games that he should have won by 10, 15.
Mhm.
Kasi yung NU nga, natambakan yung UE ng 15, di ba? NU beat
That's
UE by
right.
15. UST beat UP by 20, but then Ateneo can't beat FEU or UE by more than 5 points.
Yeah. More than one
It's
possession, di ba?
yeah. And let's be very honest, they should have probably lost both games,
That's right.
right? Nung first game, I think it was J House who
Took
kind
the
of saved the
threes.
day for them. Yeah.
Mhm.
And in this game, it was Kaimani. So I'm not, I won't say I'm not fully sold on them. Obviously, I have to say I am fully sold on them because, of course. But I wouldn't, I don't think this is the top form that they want to have yet either.
I agree. It's worrisome to a certain degree because if you come out like that against DLSU or UST, well, you're not coming back. You're not getting away with the W against those teams. For me,
You didn't mention a
uh,
specific, you didn't mention a school, huh? The
hey,
LSU.
we'll get there, man. I have my prop later, okay? But for week one of the UAP season, if you come out, if Ateneo plays like that against UST and DLSU, no, you're not coming back. You're not coming back for sure. So they're lucky. They're lucky they're 2-0, 'di ba? That's in the past. I don't think the point system will matter. The quotient system will matter against FEU and UE down the road. So they're very, very fortunate to come out 2-0 despite playing with fire in the first two games.
For sure.
Yeah, and I also want to add no yung sa
I'm,
Ateneo. Yes, Mario, before I go.
no, go lang, go lang, go lang, go ahead.
Yeah, as outside Waki Espina, no, the bench was kind of underperforming. Lazaro, 3 points, 1 for 8. Cal Gamber, 1 for 5. Uh, Ian Espinosa, because of Jaden Lazo, na rin siguro. Not sure naman kung nawala yung confidence but more of he really couldn't get it going with just 6 minutes. He's not the type of guy. Ian needs minutes to get it going. Parang Diesel din. Pero the bench needs to show up, man. Sean Tuano, 7 minutes. 0 points. 2 rebounds.
No, I was genuinely going to ask you guys, why do you think these things keep happening right now for Ateneo? Why, dude, Sean Tuano, many people had him as a top 15 forward in the league, not top 10, except for Nico. Nico had him top 5, I think. But,
Wait, number
so,
6 naman? Grabe
yeah,
naman.
Nico had him at 6, for top forwards. And didn't play much today in today's game. Ian Espinosa, I had him in the top 8, I think. I think we had him in the top 8 of guards heading into the collegiate season, and
But it
he's
made sense
played.
during that time. It made sense
It
during
made
that
sense,
time.
yeah. But then I'm curious what has happened aside from the addition of Dom Escobar and Jaden
And
Lazo.
Jaden Lazo.
Yeah, pero you'd still dude, Sean Tuano in their game before this, medyo matagal naman nilaro niya eh. Let me check Sean
Baka
We're
yan
talking
Tuano
nila
in
about
the
dun sa
game before
UST
this.
court
7 minutes lang si Sean.
No, in against FEU, he
against
played
FE. Yeah,
19.
mahaba
Oh,
yung laro
yeah.
ni Tuano,
Stopper
right?
siya dun eh. He was tasked
Yeah.
to...
So,
Nagsiswitch sila ni
Ni
he drew.
Bongo, ni Drew. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Sa
kay
perimeter.
I don't
Jorik,
really
right?
understand what's happening right now. Medyo may weird substitution ba si Coach Tab kanina after
Yung
the
kanina,
first
2 minutes, no?
possession?
2
Yeah,
minutes.
he subbed Kyle into the game bigla, which I don't really, again, I'm not mad at it, but it's kind of random to do. So medyo di ko alam right now. Maybe experimenting of some sorts or whatever. But again, I don't think there are teams out there that you can't really experiment on. And they're lucky that they were able to win these first two games.
On UE naman, no? Just to go there since we're anything more on Ateneo? I just want to go through Ateneo first before we go to UE.
No naman,
We're good
when we
with
talk about
Ateneo.
UE, brother,
We
when we
just go
talk
back to
about
Ateneo rin
UE,
eh. Mag-intersect na rin.
yeah.
No, I like Precious Momoway. I'm friends with Precious, but my friend, that sidestep half
Half court
court
team.
thing was weird. I mean, you could
That
have
was a
passed
surprise, dude.
it. Somebody was right. I'm not sure if it was Luelo who was ahead of you, the hottest guy on the court, especially during the fourth. Could have, you're
Yeah.
way taller than the guy na sumalubong sa'yo. You could have just threw it over his head. Found Luelo for a three. Maybe he could have hoisted up and see where it happened. But
Yeah.
yeah,
Ama,
that's questionable
I
decision making.
I'm going to justify that shot.
Yeah, go, 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 go.
Oh,
We
come
like,
on, dude.
gusto ko yung perspective mo.
Oh,
Paano mo
come
i-justify
on,
Alright.
yun?
dude.
Paano?
Remember
All of a
one of
sudden, he's a
the
UE supporter. All of a
no,
sudden,
no, no,
this
no, no.
guy.
Remember one of the biggest knocks against LeBron is pinapasa niya yung bola in the clutch. Oh, LeBron doesn't want to take the shot. He's afraid. Kobe would have taken that shot. Precious Momoe just took that shot, man. He didn't pass the ball. I mean, that's Mamba mentality right there, diba? That's what they're saying Mamba mentality is. Is that right? Am I
Dude,
wrong?
you're not wrong. You're not wrong, but it just wasn't the proper shot, man.
It just wasn't the
That's
proper shot right now. In any
Yeah.
other time, if he was wide open, go, Precious, go.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and dude, Welo Lingo is playing a great game right now.
Mhm.
And I believe he, and even the shot in general, he shot it so early. He shot it with
Yeah.
like 5 seconds
May naiwan
left
pa oras
in
eh,
the
di ba?
fourth. Nung na-rebound ka ni Jared, there were like 3 seconds left in the game eh. So, not only was it a bad shot, it wasn't even a shot he needed to take sa tingin ko. Like, gets ko pa if there were 3 or 4 seconds left. But 8, 9? That was a bit early. Obviously, iba pa rin ang pag-iisip ng UAAP players. Sino ba naman ako? Ang laki-laki kong tao. But dude, it was a surprise. It was a surprising shot. I would have given it to Welo.
Yeah, same.
She's the most ideal target for that one.
Yeah.
Also,
Especially
shout out
with
dun sa
Abate.
story sorry, especially with Abate na very
Abate,
sayang yun,
sorry.
no?
Abate.
Abate nga pala.
It's a new season.
Friend of
It's
the
a new
pod.
season.
John
Friend of the
Abate.
pod, John Abate.
And his final season, by the way. It's his final season. It's his
By the way,
final year.
Abate could have corrected us during that episode, but hey,
Sa broadcast
I'll give
nila,
it-
sa broadcast.
Because maybe we aren't wrong, but
Yeah. Anyway, shout out to si Drayton Kawile. Ang ganda ng story niya. He was just a walk-on, a one and done walk-on. Went up to their practice one day, impressed Coach Chris Gavina so much, and now he's starting for the UE Red Warriors. And that was not a laugh because of binamak ko siya. It's more of a laugh na it's a nice story na wow, na may mga ganun pala. It's a movie. It's straight out of a movie na, hey, can I try out? And then you impress the coach so much. Yeah, Graham, that's a different laugh. That was a different laugh. Iba yung ganong laugh. But yeah, so shout out to Dre Kawile. I like stories like that. I'm a sucker for those kind of stories. Even though one and done siya.
before we end it, I'm gonna ask you guys this. Before we end this topic because we have another topic.
We have your favorite topic.
Yeah. What's this called? Do you guys think it's a good sign from UE na they were able to keep up with Ateneo, or is it a bad
course.
sign for Ateneo that they were kept up with by UE?
No. Sinabi ko to nung preview na sa mailbag episode, guys. Actually, I liked how the mailbag episode did in terms of numbers. I thought like mga 300, 500 views lang yun kasi it's a very kalat na topic. But for some reason, nag-pick up yung algorithm and a lot of people watched. Anyway, sabi ko sa mailbag na 3 people have to work, diba? 3 people have to show up in a consistent basis. Welo is the most likely candidate for that one. Kaya feel ko nakadikit sila. And at the same time, hindi kilala rin ng atin ng ibang players. Diba? Considering na, who are these guys? Hindi rin na-scout yan. But, I mean, I wanna give credits to UE for fighting till the end and sayang lang talaga yung last possession. I hoped it was Welo that could have
Even if he
poised
misses
the-
it, diba? Even if he
Siya yung
misses it,
tama. Yun
at
yung
least siya yung tumira.
Oo,
That's a
I think siya
better-
yung tumira. That's their best bet. Siya yung hottest hands during that day, during that game. So, di ba? Ganun naman talaga. Basketball, simple lang naman basketball eh.
So
By the way-
see
Yes, go
LeBron
Graham.
passing it to Kyrie or Ray Allen is not a bad thing, okay? They're better
Hindi ako
It
shooters.
was
Disagree dun.
never a bad thing.
It was never a bad thing. I think yung mga
bad thing,
Kaya nga,
It was never
anti-LeBron
a bad thing. The only bad thing,
man.
the only bad thing of a superstar I know is when Steph Curry went behind the back to Klay Thompson in Game 7 of the 2017.
Okay, got it.
That was the only bad one. But before we end on this, man, major shout out to Dom Escobar for going back to
Yeah,
Ateneo.
Dom Escobar.
This guy
Looks like
known as a
Dwight Ramos.
offensive product.
Dapat,
Offensive
yeah.
product si Dom Escobar, brother. And he got you the 2 biggest stops of the game in
Yeah.
the steal against, I forgot if it was Buling Tapang or if it was Welo. Tapos the block slash steal slash didn't really do anything on Precious' shot.
Precious.
Yeah, and add on. Ay, hindi. Tama, okay na yan. Okay na.
Okay na saan? Baka may
Yeah.
masabi ka pa ba? Sige.
Hindi, wala na.
Let's now
Okay.
move on to the next game, which was UP versus Adamson. This one, actually, Adamson looked like they were controlling the pace from start to finish. Di ba pinag-uusapan natin, pag Adamson game, guarantee it's less than 65. Both teams are gonna score less than 60, might even go less than 55. Pero for some reason, their shots started to hit. Let me check the stats. The shots started to hit in the third and fourth quarter. The first half was really atrocious. 24 points for UP, 26 for Adamson at the end of the first half. Medyo nag-pick up naman ng second half, no? Oh, Graham, okay, nice.
Oh.
Okay, but to give credit first to the winning team, Adamson, Ray Allen Torres.
Hey!
Ray Allen ka talaga.
Eh,
Ray Allen
yeah.
ka talaga.
Man.
Pero alam niyo ba, hindi niya favorite player si Ray Allen. He said a different thing. I asked him that before. I think it was a year ago. Or nung nasa Pinoy Liga ba siya, but I asked him that. Hindi si Ray. Anyway, Ray Allen, my goodness, what a way to break the UP Fighting Maroons' hearts to send them to an 0-2 record.
Yeah.
Mario,
Normally
your
naman kasi
thoughts?
yung mga ganong player na pinapangalan after player. Like, they
It's
don't
the
know. They
parents,
don't know
right?
what
It's the
their
parents. Yeah,
were
it's the parents.
thinking,
Yeah, we know.
May LeBron James the F nga tayo eh.
Di ba
Hindi
si
nga niya
LeBron
favorite si LeBron.
Lopez
I think
does not
Giannis atang
use
favorite niya.
LeBron, di ba?
Yeah. Anyway,
Yeah.
going to the team in itself, man. I'll say we'll talk about Adamson because we have to. Brother, friend of the pod, Monty Montebon. If you don't make that
Yeah.
hell of a three, you don't win this game. So I'll give
Yan
you.
ba yung yung last second na sa shot clock, yung sobrang layo? That was
You
crazy.
yeah. Monty, that was a big shot, but 2 for 12 still kind of bad. I know
Basta
he knows.
pumasok! Basta
Yeah, I know he knows
pumasok!
that though. I know Monty
Oo.
knows that he has to be better on that aspect. Pero man, again, this is exactly what Adamson wants to do. Gusto nila ng suntukan sa dulo, yung
Ito
tipong na,
talaga, grind it
if I
out.
lose by 2, I lose by 2. Basta I don't lose by 20. It's how they will always play, man. They only had 2 people in double digits. It's just
Yes.
Fransman and Torres. Shout out Fransman, by the way.
Fransman almost lost them the game. Do you agree? He complained.
Pwede.
There was di ba? He
Is
tinuro
that the
niya yung ref,
technical?
parang gumanon siya.
Is that the
Di ba?
I don't
technical?
get why he complained on that.
Kasi yung
No,
out of
it's
bounds,
emotions.
na parang,
I think, yeah, I gets ko
was it
naman.
really out of bounds?
Sa
Yes,
replay,
yes,
oo. Sa replay,
Yes,
oo.
okay.
Pero I
Because
think real time, it was going so
real
fast.
time ang hirap
Di
nun
mo
di ba?
mahirap yun.
Yeah.
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 But again, with regard to Adamson, man,
Yes.
they are 0-2 right now, but they've
No. Adamson is 1-1. 1-1 na. They won
No.
this game. No, Adamson's
Yeah, they're
1-1.
I know nga pala, sorry, Adamson, yeah. 1-1.
Yeah, you're
Ano
thinking about
been
UP.
two-
Inuunahan mo naman eh.
Sorry.
Gravisi been 2-0, di ba?
Adamson easily could have been 2-0 right now,
Oo.
man. If Mason Amos didn't hit that 3, if Jacob Cortez didn't make that layup, it would have been a 2-0 Adamson start, and this would be a
Mm.
very, very irregular UAAP standings that we haven't seen in a while. UST, Ateneo, Adamson on top. I don't think many people thought that was gonna happen.
It's like
But-
2010 all over again, no?
Alam mo yung parang Detroit Pistons vibes na
Memphis
nobody's
Grizzlies nga,
really
brother.
Huh?
Memphis Grizzlies. The grit and
No.
grind Grizzlies, di ba?
No, I'm talking
Parang
about
ganun.
like the championship Detroit Pistons.
Okay.
Yung tipong wala naman talaga silang main star pero kaya nilang lahat maglaro kahit papaano. This is, I feel like what Adamson is. They are a defensive-minded team na kung may makascore man game, basta sa depensa, walang papalag sa amin. That's how it goes.
That is correct. Any guy at any given point can win the game for Adamson. By the way, AJ Fransman, one guy in this pod really liked him based on the last episode. Profit mode, but who am I to talk, diba? Fransman, I really like him.
False prophet, by the way. I keep forgetting the word false.
I do believe though na if hindi na shoot ni Torres yung 3-pointer, they would have lost in OT for sure to UP. Just based on
Philcor.
experience. And UP was trailing all game tapos diba, you go to overtime. It's really hard to win. But man, Manzano, I think Manzano fouled out, diba? Si Manzano fouled out of this game. Um,
Dude, Adamson committed 34 fouls.
that's right.
They
Now,
committed
now they will not agree with all of those fouls, but
Yeah, for sure.
um, you know, if your two top scorers are from the bench, si Franzman and si Torres, then you really have they're low-key a deep team, no? Si yung Adamson, like anyone, it's probably more of a Nash Racela system na anyone na hugutin niya can contribute. But man, if Ateneo should not feel good after 2 games, Adamson on the other hand, man,
It feels
they
really
sh-
good.
they should feel really really good over uh out of these 2 games. Like we can trash UP all we want, but they still are legit in that conversation for Final Four. Now I'm not sure if they're getting in, but they are still in that conversation, like
For
4
me,
or
they
5
are.
at
We're
this
gonna get there. We're
moment in
gonna
time.
get there. Let's give
We'll get
Adamson their
there, but
flowers first. Are we done with
The-
Adamson? Is there any guy na hindi pa
yeah,
natin
I'm
discuss?
done with Adamson because Graham mentioned that Adamson should be very happy with their first 2 games. You know who shouldn't be happy with their first 2 games, man? Are
Who's
those UP
Steven?
Fighting Maroons, brother. I'm not a UP hater, not at all. Am I a UP hater? But this is not good basketball in their first 2 games, man. This is not good basketball in their first 2 games. Um, and again, it's another case of I don't know what is happening with the lineups. Mark Belmonte, even if he was the leading scorer in their last game, played 10 minutes lang today, man.
Mm.
Sean Alter is 7 feet. And
Hindi
he
naman.
played a
He's not
minute.
7. He's not 7.
What is he? He's 7 feet to me, man. I don't know this.
It's like mga 6'8" lang naman. It's not that tall.
6'8 lang yun. Damn.
6'8 na si Alter?
Yeah, he's not
Think
7. Sorry.
Okay.
I want to find
I
out his
thought
height today.
I
Sean
thought
Alter.
I thought Thea Gagate will not date anyone under than
6'9",
7 feet.
6'9",
But
6'9".
6'9", okay, nice.
Yeah. Uh, uh, the UST one we can give a pass to, I would say, because UST
They're
is
legit.
really a top team right now. The Adamson one, I think many expected na babawi sila today eh. Pero hindi sila nakabawi and I don't know, man. I am not comfortable right now with how UP is playing.
Yeah,
I
masyado
feel
sila.
like
Daming guards. Sobrang daming guards. And then I
I
feel like
feel
Ray
like
Remoga's not being used properly.
exactly. And it the Ray Remogat, I don't know if it's a doesn't fit in the system, doesn't get enough touches, doesn't I don't know, may utang siya kay Coach Gold, I don't know what it is. But then he only played 20 minutes, man. And he only shot the football 4 times, had 0 points in the in that span. I know he was a +3 in the plus minus, pero I don't know. I don't think this is what the UP community signed up for when they got Noy Remogat.
I agree with that, man. I really don't know what's going on with UP. We gets naman natin eh, 'di ba? Nahirap talaga punan yung tatlong umalis na
Yeah.
from their championship run. But man, to start 0-2, they haven't done that, I think, since they were the bottom dwellers of the UAAP.
Let me
I
check.
think.
When was the last time?
I think 79 ata if I heard si Boom Gonzalez right. Season 79 was the last time excuse me, UP was able to do it, and I'm just so disgusted. I'm gonna remove this UP shirt because it's just
Get
not
it over
good
there. Get it over.
to wear, man. Come on. Um,
This prophet.
yeah. Stevens, brother, you had the chance, si Gary Stevens, to
Season
to tie
79,
the
tama
game.
nga.
Season
Last segment
79,
ko
right?
nga.
Narinig ko kay Boom Gonzalez. Gani Stevens, brother, friend of the pod, had the chance to tie the game after missing 2 free throws. And he missed the di ba?
He missed the layup, but then they scored naman after. Kasi
Oh,
bola
Yeah,
lang
I like the balls though of Gani to just,
I agree.
take. He got it. Andun na siya eh.
Yeah, brother, like
Right.
even here's my thing. If he made both free throws, if he made one, missed one, then got the rebound, made the layup, if he missed both, got the layup, and made it, you still would have lost the game.
Because of Ray Allen.
Adamson still wins the game,
That
dude.
makes sense.
It doesn't really whatever happened to Gani in those last 30 seconds, I don't really think made a big difference in the outcome of this game, man. Kasi either way, Ray Allen Torres is taking that shot anyway,
Bagay. I agree.
right?
I'm
The
just
only
saying
reason
na
go lang.
no, I was just saying na sometimes, may psychological effect yung ganun
Gets naman. I
na
think
you
what we
have a
can say is they would have had another timeout to set up,
Mm,
'di ba? They would have
yeah,
had another
to
timeout to set up
possibly
a
tie the
play.
game, di ba?
Yeah, yun yung pwede nating
Yeah, you're
sabihin
right
as
with
to
that.
why medyo big deal yung miss ni Ganing dalawang yun. But either way, man, this is a UP team right now who I still think is trying to find an identity outside of QMB, JD Kagulangan, and Francis Lopez. Bless his heart. Harold Alarcon, man, he's trying. Jerry
He's
Abadiano is
trying. Kita
trying.
mo, they're trying. Abadjano,
Mhm.
Harold,
Yeah,
they're trying.
they're
Pero
trying, man.
kulang.
But
And at the same time, hindi na utilize na maigi si prize recruit mo, which is Ray.
yeah, man. All I'll say is this, because I don't really want to dwell on this too much because I am very hungry right now. Um, all I'll say is if UP doesn't make it to the finals or Final Four, I 100% believe Andy Hemau is coming to the Fighting Maroons next year.
I still believe he's still coming to UP.
Even
Even
if
if
they,
even if they do go to the Final Four, that's his destination kasi he's very close with Coach Tom Chua and Coach Gold. So,
since we've seen a good amount of playing so far this year in the UAAP, who do we
okay.
believe had the best recruitment in the offseason?
Oh,
Isn't it
UST.
Ateneo?
UST.
Oh, wait.
I think UST and Ateneo are a close 1-2, 1A, 1B.
Who did
Because
UST gain?
Koji Buenaflor, Colin
Si Buenaflor.
Sakoe.
Ako uwi. But ako is from the high school team. Galing ba sa high
Yeah,
school?
Still a
None-
recruit. We're talking about
None
recruits,
siya
right?
po,
Okay.
We're talking about
Yeah.
recruits.
First year.
He's
Yung mga
and
first year.
that's a legit 5-year rookie. So he's
Yeah,
qualified for the rookie of the
totoo
year. Well, Ateneo naman the 3-1 and duns.
I think that's between Ateneo and UST also. But this is kind of starting to show na I think what we're starting to do right now, what we are having to realize right now is maybe there aren't a guaranteed four anymore sa UAAP. Over the last few seasons, yes, there were teams who were miles ahead of the others. But I think this season, what medyo napansin natin is gumagaling ang recruitment ng lahat ng schools, gumagaling ang preparation ng lahat
Raise
ng
the level
kaya
talaga.
kaya medyo tumataas ang level ng UAAP basketball. That's why there are no blowouts except for that initial one ng UST UP.
Mhm.
And this is just what happens when when everyone is kind of able to benefit from a good system that the UAAP generally has. Although may pirating pa rin naman, which we are not the biggest fans of. Everybody right now in the UAAP schools have good teams and good coaches, good rosters, and it's
That's
getting really
right.
fun this season. It's been 3 days, and honestly, this is
Yeah.
probably the most tired 3 days in UAP in the UAP in a while.
That's right. And then Saturday it's gonna be UST and DLSU dun sa
Oh, that's a good game.
UST.
It's
It
gonna
will
be
be a good game.
nice.
Wait lang, Mario. I'm curious. So what you're saying is when all teams are trying to win, the league is gonna be better?
Yeah, I don't know, man.
Okay.
I
Yun pala
know
yung
it's
formula.
alam ko unfamiliar tayo doon. Unfamiliar tayo doon, man. Kasi yung
Yun pala yung
pinapanood natin
formula.
medyo ano, yung ibang team di talaga gusto manalo. Pero dito when all teams care, pwede naman.
Okay.
Mas maganda pala.
Okay.
Imagine mo kung 12 teams pa.
Oo,
Di
di
ba?
ba?
Kung lahat seryoso yung 12.
Lahat yun seryoso. Tapos top talents in the Philippines yun. Uy!
Yes, di ba?
Grabe!
Maybe the sponsors will come, 'di ba? Yung mga Cetaphil
Oy,
or
nakita niyo yun?
Tapos,
Yung thank you ng UAP. Yun ang flex, bro. Flex
tapos
post yun.
yung ano, men, hindi lang sponsors, pre. Pati arena, baka mapuno yun, di ba? Napuno naman yung ano
Ah,
eh. Napuno rin
yun
yung
pala
Ateneo
yung
UAP.
formula para hindi isang team lang yung asahan pumuno ng arena. Got it, man. Got it.
Maybe we should put up a league.
Oh, yung pag-graduate ng mga college stars doon sila pupunta, not abroad. Got
Yun,
it, man.
it's difficult, bro. It's difficult.
Got
But
it.
anyway,
Maybe.
another thing I want to add is
Yes. Let's go back to you, Ap.
actually this is like my last point because again,
Yeah.
I hope that this continues. Even if it is tiring, I hope this is what we continue to see. Not necessarily the results, obviously. For the
This
UP
level of competition
Yeah,
na
just this
hindi
level
mo
of
alam
competition
anong
talaga.
mangyayari.
Yung this level of competition. Kasi masaya talaga siya panoorin, men. Pati yung Ateneo UE kanina, tambak na, biglang naging close game. Tapos ito rin,
That's Welo,
UP,
bro. That's Welos.
Adamson. It's really good, fun basketball that will fill the seats, that will get the sponsors there and everything.
That's right.
Yeah, hopefully it keeps going this way.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure at parang 4 p.m. yung mga uh, Ateneo alumni na nasa corporate suite nila, mga CEO of companies, they were sweating when UE took the lead. Parang pa-out na sila and then, oh, what happened? But they're
Exactly.
they're lucky to find a way to win. The other thing naman sa UP, like yung mga nagda-drive na pauwi who was watching on Pilipinas Live, by the way, Pilipinas Live, my internet is not slow, okay? So please stop saying there's a problem with my internet
Same
connection.
thoughts here.
Um, but yeah, yung mga taga-UP naman siguro may init ulo nila because, man, starting 0-2, they've been spoiled over the past 5 years, tong UP.
Graham,
Actually, not
I thought-
just 5.
Graham, I thought yung internet was slow. Di ba yan kinocomplain mo kay Nico kaninang umaga?
No, it's converged, but my internet is not slow. So
Nag-name drop
Pilipinas
pa.
Live, man.
Kaya wala tayong makuha sponsor eh. Lahat din na-drop eh.
Hey, brother, we lose converge, we have PLDT. But, man, all I'm saying
Saan
is,
naman nakikinig si Boss MVP. Boss! Oh. Canva,
No,
hindi pa tayo
it's-
pinapansin. Come on,
it
Canva.
it's fun, brother. It's
Oh.
fun. The UAP is really, really fun. And I've been enjoying the first. Actually, yung second day, hindi ko na-enjoy masyado. But yung first and third, as long as there's Ateneo and Adamson, bro, you're gonna have a heart attack with
Oo,
with
lagi
the
ka may heart
UAP.
attack. Kahit UE din eh, makatakihin ka na bigla. Bro, actually,
DU
FPU
is,
din.
By the way,
FPU will always be there as long as Jorik and Pasaol are
Pasaol,
starting.
By the way, shout out to this dude I met kanina in UST. Actually, there were 2 or 3 dudes who came up to me kanina in UST. They said they were fans of the pod. I'm so sorry. I didn't get your names. I was kind of busy.
Dapat takad ka pala, Boss Mario.
yeah.
Grabe boss mo, yung ganun kakataba.
Guys, yung mga tao, especially pag PBA video na sinasabi, uy, Mario, hindi mo marunong basketball. If you guys see Mario in person, you probably won't yap.
He's probably taller than you.
Oh, he's gonna grab you by the neck, brothers. I'm telling you that. So please be
Yung angle
careful
niya lang
with
kasi
your
ng camera,
words.
ganyan kasi angle ni Mario. eh.
Yeah.
Ganyan yung
Yeah.
angle ni Mario. Ulo lang nakikita.
Please do not yap. We do not yap about
Wait,
Mario
ganyan
sa
ko lang yung
comment
angle ni
sections
Mario. Ayun, oh.
because you all
Daming
are
dead
gonna get
space.
your ass kicked when you see this guy in person. So
Wait, Graham,
that's all
kaya
I'm
mo ba yung
saying.
camera? Let's end it this way, the
Yeah.
Mario
I'd
view.
rather do that.
And then,
Yeah.
They don't.
Yeah,
That's the real
this
angle,
is-
dude. That's the real
Yeah,
angle. They don't know. They don't know, bro. They don't know.
You don't know
They
you're
don't know.
messing with, man.
They
Don't
don't
oh,
know.
wait,
mess
last
with
question
Mario.
before we end. UP, are they still a Final Four contender? For me, yes. Despite starting 0-2, but I will have them dropping to 4.
What's their next game?
I don't know.
Is it? Hold on.
I don't
I
remember.
I can check real quick. It's
Sige,
Okay,
please.
so Adamson is done. Oh, it's UE. Okay. Well, they're gonna get their
Oh,
first
man.
win.
Baka dyan gagamitin na si Noe, man. Baka dyan gagamitin na si Noe.
Oh, for sure, man. For sure.
Yeah.
Nico,
Alright.
can you change your
Is-
camera
is-
angle, please, man?
Is,
Ah, sorry, ano ba?
is UP a Final
Okay
Four
na?
candidate?
Yeah.
Yeah, but probably
I
not
still
the top
think they are.
two
I still think they
team
are. man.
anymore. I
They-
think based on week 1, UST has overtaken them for
I
sure.
agree.
For
I
sure.
agree. But I still think they're top 4. I think they'll probably be fighting for that 4th spot though. I think they'll
So-
probably be fighting. But then again, dude, to be fair, we haven't seen UST and DLSU play their second games yet. So we don't know. We really don't know. So we wouldn't we'll find out sooner rather than later.
Yeah, it's gonna be in 4 days.
All right. Thank you so much, guys, for listening. Nico here with Mario and Graham. Follow and give us a 5-star rating on Spotify. Like, comment, subscribe on YouTube. More UAP free previews coming your way on Saturday and or Sunday.
By the
And,
way, one last thing, Nico. One last thing before you really go away.
mailbag.
Yung
accepting
mailbag.
questions.
The mailbag episode that was recorded
That was a day before UAP.
the day
was
before
recorded Friday.
UAP.
One day
So,
before.
Some of the things we were saying probably do not make sense now. Like we
Naka-pin note
overlook
naman
an-
eh. Naka-pin note.
Mm.
Naka-pin comment ako na this was recorded one day before. So,
People don't like reading, brother. So, you know.
no, it's okay. Somebody would...
There's a reason we talk, man.
Yeah.
There's a reason we talk.
There's a reason we talk, brother.
People love to yap and not read, but it is what it is.
Okay,
Guys.
see you guys. See you next time. See you all. See you sa next recording.
This guy.
Graham, sa'yo rin bago ka mag ano.
This guy.
Adios, amigos.